Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add motion blur in any picture you want, but let me tell you one thing, that motion blur is specifically for moving subject. You can see it, there is so much distraction behind this bicycle or bike, whatever you say. There is a car and the window, they are very prominent, and just we cannot focus on the one thing, which is our bicycle. What we have to do is we have to add motion blur so we can fully focus only one thing, which is the bicycle. What we have to do, we have to just go to quick selection tool and select the subject which we want to be focused. So the motion blur, when we add it, will not disturb our subject. Like this. Don't worry about it if our selection is not very perfect. We will adjust it later. Not so long. What we have to do, we just have to press alt and just click and just cut it, the extra part of the, like this. Don't worry, as I told you, if your selection is not very perfect, especially for the pro people, or you can do it or select your subject very easily as well if you have a latest version of the Photoshop. I intentionally use the older version so the people who doesn't have the latest version can relate to me and don't face any hurdles while doing selection or anything. Okay, I think that's it. Little bit here. I think we did a really great job here. That's it for now. I think that's it. Little bit here. Now don't worry about it, as I told you, we will adjust it later as well. What we have to do is, after this step, we have to go to the selection tab and just select inverse, or you can press shift plus control plus I as well. Now you can see it, our whole subject is selected. So our next step is control plus J, and then after that what we have to do is just go to the filter and then go to blur and then go to motion blur. That's it. It's totally up to you what strength or intensity you want. I want little bit, I want more intensity in the picture, so you can say it, I want fast speed. It feels like that our subject is moving in a fast speed. It totally depends, and it depends on you. Like this, you can use this motion blur in any picture you want. There is no hard and fast rule. You can see it, our subject is also blurred. Don't worry about it, we can correct it. Just add layer marks on it and make sure your color should be on default mode. If it not, just press the arrow key, you can see it black and white. What we have to do, we have to select a brush tool and just paint it on the subject and the blurred area. Or don't worry if you do it on the extra space as well. Don't worry, we will also correct that as well. The benefit of the layer marks, yes, you can adjust or correct everything you did wrong. Like this, yes. Or you can see it, our blur area is also sharp, so don't worry, just press X and now we are on the white tab. White color, just paint it like this. Now the sharp area again go like this. You can also decrease the size of the brush with the help of right and left curly bracket. So you can do this according to the situation. Now I'm again going to select the black color because little bit blurred on the white. You have to do this frequently because there is a little bit deep, or what we have to say. Yes, I think we did a right job. Now if you want to add more motion blur in the picture, you can also increase the motion blurs intensity like this. If I go move forward, you can see it. No, I think I already did a right job, so I don't need to add more. Like this, little bit more. Now I'm going again to the black color, so the helmet of the person also prominent like this. No, I did a wrong job again. Like this, I think we are done here. Now you can see it before. Now our focus is on the subject, on the vehicle, no distraction behind or in the surrounding of this subject. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can, and please do comments if you need, or if you want me to make video on any subject. Thank you so much. Bye.